We are finally working on the car. As you guys can see, I have all the things here, but I'll show you later. By the way, the heater is not working. Don't worry about it. I'm not gonna use it. I figured out a better way to heat it up my garage, and today it's actually a warm day. Ooh, what's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. If you're here for the first time, I do a lot of stuff with my cars. I have a 2017 Chevy Colorado and 2007 Chevy Corvette, and I try to do everything by myself and share that it's possible to do everything on a budget. If you're here for the first time, subscribe, and if you are watching, please hit that thumbs up. That helps to spread the word, and I like to create that community on where people watch my videos, so we can kind of connect to each other. So if you please hit that thumbs up, we can grow that community, right? We are finally working on the cars. With this daily vlogging thing, it's really hard to work on the cars every single day, as I explained to you guys before. But today we are finally working on the Corvette. It's raining outside, so I'm not even bothering open the garage, and we're gonna wrap the roof. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do the roof and the hell in the same day, so you might get two videos, depends how long this one gets. And as you guys know how the wrap thing goes, and why I'm doing today, it's because it's not, first of all, it's not that cold outside. It's like 49 degrees, just like summer for New Jersey. But we need to clean the roof as much as we can. As you guys can see, I have those like scratches, and they are not going away. That's the reason why I'm wrapping it. And same for the halo. I have a bunch of little scratches. I believe I can paint correct those. They correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe I can. But I want to wrap in carbon fiber. So I went and read, and I cut it exactly the piece for the roof I needed. So that saves us time, because that's basically just cutting the piece you need. It's a carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber. And why I went with gloss is just because now it's kind of a gloss, black-ish, so it doesn't make sense. And I know the wing is not gloss, it's like a matte carbon fiber. If I have enough vinyl, I can wrap the wing again. That's not an issue. I'm just not gonna show you guys. Depending how that goes, I want to get the roof done first, and then we move from there. All right, again, basically tools you need. I have that small kit that I bought from Amazon, the link on the description below. If you want to get yours, you get a squeeze, you get like scissors, knife, gloves, everything. It's on that kit. So if you want to do yours, and I have like a towel and alcohol to clean. The car is pretty much clean. I haven't driven this car for probably like 3 weeks now. I'm gonna clean, and we're gonna move from there. I believe the challenge here is from those rubbers, like, because you gotta cut the vinyl a little bit bigger so you can tuck the vinyl in here. We'll see how challenge is that. And also you have those like curves here in the middle. That's a challenge because you need to stretch the vinyl, but you don't need, you cannot overstretch, if it does that make sense for you. Again, my first time doing the roof, I did a couple wraps. You guys know I did the wing, I did a couple wraps on my truck. It's probably the biggest part I'm gonna ever get done until I get the entire car. So let's see if we can get at that point. But yeah, let's clean. It's really important to be super clean. So you guys saw it took my time. Of course it was a time lapse, but it took my time. Now I'm gonna lay down the vinyl. I'm not sure how much heat I'm gonna use, but I have my heat gun here. So yeah, let's do it. As I said, I pre-cut it, the vinyl. So I pre-cut it, so it's kind of, I left a little bit like bigger. I'm putting you guys like closer. And now, one thing you learn when you're doing vinyl is how to, deal with the vinyl, if you will. The vinyl you can stretch, and depends how thick your vinyl is. Because if the vinyl is not good quality, you think you're gonna, stretch too much, or you're gonna put like holes, or you're gonna break in half. So make sure you get a good vinyl. I'm not getting paid to say this, but this one's a pretty good one. I have nothing to complain about. So we'll see how that goes. One thing you're gonna notice is I try to leave as little as possible on the corners, because I have learned if the vinyl is in good like size, make your job so much easier. I have cut so much larger pieces and so on and so forth. I believe this is easier. And another thing is, you see here there's like a plastic on top of it. I'm not gonna remove it now, I'll remove it when I'm done. Okay, situation report. I start from the middle. As you guys can see, I don't know if it's the vinyl, but I have some wrinkles. It's not because I was, you know, was hard to apply. It's just because it was in the vinyl. I put some heat on, and that's how it was looking like so far. So I start from the middle because of those curves here. It's not perfect, but it's not horrible. It's so gloss. You probably can see the camera over there. See? So I'm probably gonna finish that side, and then we're gonna come to this side to finish here. You guys saw I started here, but I just realized the middle needs to get done. And I'm gonna do that side first, just because I want. Situation report number 2. So I did this side. So far it's looking pretty good. There's some spots that you know. And one thing, if you're a professional out there, I think I messed up removing that tiny plastic was here, because I think that would prevent scratches on the vinyl. But anyway, I did already. I'm really taking my time so I don't scratch anything. Those things I think is like from the squeeze. So far, it's looking good. What do you guys think? I really need to be careful with the trimming. I gotta put the vinyl between this rubber and the roof. So, well, the main thing here is I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing at all. Like, I'm taking my time side by side. I think the middle and the other side took me like 30 minutes. I'm really taking my time because I don't have any practice. So for sure, if you're a professional, you know what I'm saying. You're probably doing that way faster. And then we're gonna start trimming. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get the halo done today. We'll see how that goes. Here's the final product. I would say 0 to 10. I would give myself a 7. It's not perfect at all. The final product, it's definitely better than it was before. Look, here you can see better. See carbon and the black. It's definitely better. I would definitely do this part. This side here is like, was the best one. But yay, I learned it so much. To be honest, another thing, this vinyl here that I did the wing, and see, this one's perfect. You can barely see. It's not like a gloss, but it's better. I think this vinyl is better to work with than that one. The gloss vinyl, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know, maybe it's me. Actually, overall, I'm happy with it. Again, I think wrap and vinyl thing, you gotta spend time on it. You gotta do and redo and redo. And that was my first roof, so for the first time, not bad at all. I will do the halo maybe tomorrow. Not sure if I'm gonna record it now. I probably will. And just like I took my time and I have a lot of stuff to do today, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you are a pro, let me know which tips you have to help me to get, you know, better on it. But so far, I have so much fun. It's like, you gotta be patient. That's one thing for sure. If you're doing, I think any rap, any kind of rap, I can only imagine wrapping the entire car. You definitely gotta be patient. So as always, thank you so much you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy life.